Hello, sir. My name is Amish Srivastav and I am from Lucknow. Hello, Amit. How are you? I am fine, sir. Amit, please tell me about your company and what is soil multiplier. Sir, my company name is Krishna Business Development Private Limited and it is situated in Maharashtra, Dhulia. And my company researched a product and product name is soil multiplier. Soil multiplier is a product of 13 years of research and its primary object is to establish a relationship between agriculture and nature. Its role is to ensure inflow of nature free of cost food. Once crop started receiving nature free of cost food, there is no need to use even multiplier and it takes 5 to 7 years to reach this level. Using multiplier for just 5 to 7 years lead to lifelong freedom without the need to pay even a single rupee to anyone. Multiplier is a purely organic product. After it use, crop start getting the nutrients provided by nature more effectively and following changes take place in the crop. First, when the crop are in growth stage, the rate of growth increases. Second, the size of the leaf become bigger than ever. Third, the dark green color of the leaf intensifies. Fourth, using multiplier where the disease and pest are out of control help control them faster. Fifth, after using multiplier, there is a relief from the problem of the flowers dropping off. Sixth, the flower grow up to be healthy and their number increases. 7. In orchard, where there is a problem of dropping of small fruit, the problem almost vanishes after the use of multiplier. 8. The fruit grow faster in size during the season. 9. The salivary diseases which is common in cotton crop vanishes after the use of multiplier. 10. The total production of increases as the number of unit growing on the same branches increases. 11. Due to the use of multiplier, the crop become able to tolerate high temperature. 12. Those crop having low tolerance for cold temperature gain the ability to tolerate it after the use of multiplier. 13. Even there is any reason for the halt in the growth of the crop, they start growing immediately after the use of multiplier. 14. Multiplier can be used in every crop. Amit, how to use soil multiplier? Please explain it. Method of giving multiplier for any crop. You can give multiplier with running water, with chemical fertilizer. In rainy days, you can mix multiplier in soil or dung manure and throw it in the field. Whenever rain falls, multiplier will start its works. You can also give multiplier by drip irrigation. You can also give multiplier by spray also. Multiplier can be used in 1 kg in 1 acre. And for spray, you can take 1 gram of multiplier in 1 liter of water. Amit, how we will order multiplier and where we have to deposit the money? To buy multiplier, you can contact me, sir, on my number. My number is 8299 055 733. First of all, sir, you have to deposit the money in the company account. And to buy multiplier, you need to give your Aadhaar card, PAN card detail to being registered. After registration, you can buy our multiplier box. 2 box of multiplier is available, 5 kg and 10 kg. You can deposit 3600 for 5 kg and 6500 for 10 kg in company's bank account. Thank you, Amit, for giving me such a useful knowledge of multiplier. And thank you for giving your precious time. Thank you so much, Amit.